Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Echo. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Amazon Echo from the box. Remove any protective covering or stickers. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection available. Also, make sure your smartphone or tablet is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Download and install the Amazon Alexa app from your device's App Store. Open the Alexa app after installation is complete. Sign in to your Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. On the app's home screen, tap on the device's icon located at the bottom right. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Amazon Echo from the list provided. Next, select Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Plus, and more. Power on your Echo Dot by plugging it into an electrical outlet. Wait for the light ring on top of the device to turn orange. When the orange light appears, your Echo Dot is in setup mode. Return to the Alexa app and select Continue to proceed. Choose your Echo Dot from the list of available devices. If prompted, confirm that the device confirms the correct information displayed. Now, connect your Echo Dot to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password if required. Once connected, the light ring will change to blue, indicating a successful connection. Test your Echo Dot by saying Alexa. If it responds, your setup is complete. You can now customize your preferences and settings within the app. Explore additional features, such as skills and routines, to enhance your Alexa experience. Enjoy your newly set up Amazon Echo Dot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.